It's a bird. Let's go into a spot. I'm about to zoom in.
Catch rats gonna have some disease.
Oh! Whoa!
Oh!
Uh-oh!
I don't like Cassie Ratchy. I'm not touching her no more. She's
Not Cassie Ratchy.
Sassy! Put it down! Put it! Come on, Michaeli! It's right here.
Cassie Ratchy gonna pop out on you. Eat you. Oh,
That's the bird.
bird dead now.
No, it's not.
Fly.
And that's Sassy. Sassy. Could be a stick.
There go Longer right behind you.
Huh?
There, look at that stick.
I don't want to hit it with a little bit.
His mama.
Ah! Dang!
You see that yellow stuff? That yellow stuff looks like egg. Boy, I'm gonna take a flight.
This is me, Wesley. Please
The
subscribe.
cat was eating a bird.
Come here.
The cat ate the bird. Ate the bird? Yeah, the bird is right there. Me and Wesley just poked it. It was funny.
It's a bird.
A dead bird.
It's right here.
Catch Wesley ate it.
It bit it. It grabbed it.
I see Sassy.
I know. There go the bird right here.
It's moving a little bit.
Look.
Shoot that bird. It's blinking.
Still alive. Pick it up and put it on the leaf.
I'm not picking that dingo. Bye. Poke it.
No, it's gonna die.
Catchy Wesley both. And she eating on the skin. I'm not. That thing got disease now. So you supposed to never look in the black cat.
A black.
A black cat eyes.
Nigga, I been had the cat. Nigga, I don't got disease. Not long I had that.
No, I'm talking about don't look it in his eyes for a long time.
Why?
Look at black cat in their eyes.
That's not black eyes, boy.
Oh, see?
Sassy. Get.
Sassy bogus. Move on. Let's watch it eat it.
No, that's dumb.
You should see the video.
Go, 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 go. Trying to save you. Go, go, go.
That thing scared the mess out of me. It was. Y'all missed out. Y'all missed out. Y'all missed out. Ate the bird.
Go, go.
It's right there.
Everybody, come on, Sassy. Eat it.
It's right there.
Where?
Right there. Oh. Come on, still alive.
Yeah, it's can't. It can't fly no more.
Stop,
stop.
Go
Go and touch it, get disease.
Right. That's what I'm saying. Touch it. Bucket or something. Yeah, bucket or something.
Where the bucket?
Watchy!
Where?
Watchy!
Where Cassie Wassy at?
That's Sassy right there, stupid.
Cassie Wassy?
Cassie Wetty to tear that thing up. Right. Tear that thing in pieces. Sassy! Oh! That thing's scared.
Get away from
Cassie
me,
Wetty! That's bold. Look, Sassy's trying to get it. That is kind of bogus now. That is kind of sad.
Hey, y'all got a bucket?
Go get a bucket.
All right.
You got a bucket. That's bogus.
They about to eat that for dinner. Here.
Who's gonna eat?
Here. Hurry up before the cat come. Hurry up. Here. You gonna put it in there? Put it in there. You good at it.
I think Felicia good at catching. Want it? Put it in there. Just put the right.
Where's Sassy at? Where's Sassy?
Felicia, you
Come on, Makai, where's Sassy?
under there. There, go right there, Sassy. Come on, Felicia. Throw the cup at it.
Don't throw the cap on it. Don't hurt it. Don't hurt it. Do not hurt it.
You said catch it.
Don't hurt it.
Here, Wesley, catch it. Here, let me hold it.
I got it, boy. I'm recording. I'm putting this on.
If you step on it, Sassy biting on stuff. It's right there. Sassy
I
biting
see
on
it.
that wood. So? Catch it with the game. Where's it even at? Where's it?
Move these leaves out the way. Take it off. The leaves off so I can grab it.
Oh, I can grab the tail.
Don't grab it. Don't grab it.
Grab the tail. Got it.
All right.
Here.
You do it now. Don't do
Grab
it.
the tail.
Put it in there.
Grab the tail. Pick it up and put it in there. No, the head's covered. Oh, the head. Oh, so sweet.
Don't kill it.
We need something to pick it up with. Oh my God. Oh, it's going in their yard. You should sing. But Cassie Wassy was chasing that thing. Sassy. That's it. Wesley, get it. What is it? Where is it at? What is it? Oh. Go get a bigger bucket. Go get a big bucket.
Charlotte,
Got it. What is it?
it's by the tree. Just let it stay right there. I'm gonna wait and see if the cat gonna get it.
Right. That's what I'm saying. It was funny. I like this pattern, don't you?
Yep.
I'm getting every single one of them.
Where'd it go? Oh.
I'm scared of Sassy now. I asked you what Sassy do. For the head and the feet. Yeah, head and feet.
Charlie, can you do it?
What?
Can you do it?
No.
Get in here right here. Get in this way. This is a video live. 9 minutes straight. Come on. What's out there, boy?
What is it? What is it?
Right there. You see it?
No. Oh, yeah.
Get it.
I'm gonna go. How much bucket you go get? He's a little dangerous, little boy. Oh, it's just a baby.
I'm saying. All right, do it. Hurry up. Don't let it go away or die. It'll die.
Come on, go this way. I want to do it, but all take it. Take it. There, go right there. Get your head and feet. Oh!
Head and feet now.
Get it.
Put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket. All right, just let it go. Just let it go. It's free. It's free.
It's right there. I can catch it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. What you gonna do with it? What you gonna do with it?
Throw it. We can throw it.
No! Quit! Quit!
Oh, well. When it comes out,
Huh?
just tell me when it comes out, right? Do you know how to do this? Isn't it? Here, little 7.
Don't touch it no more. Let's go. Let's go.